morning, Rishitale. Doing for sa family here. Yabola na kung sarili yung tulong ito. Sa and the Christmas की vibe ली मिले. White snow आणि पे खावा दिलो अच्छे. The sky नहीं जला. Service चला. These are cute. We are at a small service center. So we do the washroom. 그중이라 뭐라 쌍주 조이다니라 레라 델레라 뜬다.
When did you dark this close up? I think.
알아 다 그렇지 그래 이네 오케이 put it back okay. 다른 기중이라 칩스 먹고 사인 봐 지리 먹고 사인 봐. 그래도 사실 리그리기 안 걸어도 돼. Anyway, restaurant chair. Ala souvenir. Rinchela darling, sire. Chara nanara kajudangar dama. Di aila anje laga yomare, okay? Unnecessary gomchubar. So, our another trip. Boys are exploring the convenience store. Town of Vermont. Nice, cozy town.
The car is right there.
Is that the whole house?
Yes,
Okay,
that's the
so
whole
this is
house.
our. This
So we get that whole house?
Yes, Abutashi is here.
dire,
The second floor. Oh.
dire.
Yes.
계산라 가르짝이에요.
여기는 그 스낵 사길라 말해.
스낵거 골피쉬 거 있어.
Something.
추추들을 시트불. 따다 카메라 이거 하면 되네. 패긴 니만 라게 돼 패닝 점부터. So 다른 간적이 there's an Airbnb this. It's gonna be our home for 2 days. Hello. So our trip ends at New Hampshire. It's I think about like 4 hours away from New York City, and it's we came here for baby shower, but it's a surprise for the baby mommy. So we will have the baby shower party tomorrow. So tonight we're just settling down.
No way. Is that
We have
actually
toddler.
We actually got our first customer. I'm not expecting to get a customer this early, but we served him.
Probably some burgers, I guess. We can give him these Big Macs over here.
I was thinking we could give them a fresh one. Yeah, I guess giving them one of the pre-supplied ones.
So this is the living room.
Your order, and I don't really know how
Boys are already
Make
cozy.
a burger. Oh, did you see that, guys?
It's,
He literally gave out love emojis.
Hey,
Beautiful
you want to give me
Christmas
$1 million
tree.
tip?
Stop being disrespectful to the customer, okay? Don't
And
tip me
they
here.
have,
Looks like he's giving us $1 every burger.
They have a nice,
It's gonna get big. We can give him a lot of burgers.
Hey, can I have one?
They've already all installed.
nice
We're around for some
gym.
burgers, but we don't have anything else in here.
Wait. Get some lettuce and some cheese.
That's nothing.
Well, maybe we can go to the shop over here.
Okay, so this leads to the living room. Have a big backyard, but God, look at the snow. Oh my God.
Okay, what is the one that I'm doing here?
We got one employee over here at the front desk. We got two in the kitchen. And wait, look, guys.
Let's go upstairs. So there is a powder room. Oh, not powder room. It's like a full bath. Showering all. And this is me. Alright. There's another room here. What is this? Okay, extra towels and stuff. There's another room here. Baby room. Queen bed, I think, and a kids twin bed. Nice, cozy. Ninja mother. Alrighty. That's it. Go downstairs from here. So this room, extra towels. I think it's a double bed. Then there's a bunk bed. And this is the washroom. They have iron board. Wow. Jacuzzi and nice stand shower. Oh, separate washroom. Washroom closet. And then this is the bathroom. So, baby nursery. Oh, they have trampoline. Basketball. Summer like they have like barbecue and everything. And okay, is this another washroom? And the kitchen. Big kitchen. Here's a coffee dura. Coffee pots dura dura.
Or on Netflix.
Dining area. Living area. Oh, Mama? Everyone is around. Cannot TV tao, okay? So this is the main entrance. Alright.
We're at the party for Aiden's birthday. Oh, Joshi! Oh my god!
Hi.
아니 확 지인배 사람라. 요즘에는 그런 다들. Hello. Congratulations.
What is it? You know, all day.
Basa ale dia lah. Jangan surprise भयो.
Surprise, right?
एकदम भयो अहिले नि.
What is it? Then I saw get it.
Agent.
I was like, got it. Then I saw.
सोनम त जाने भनेर मैले समाते रहेछु oh my god.
What cute? No, I was saying, then I'm not gonna say the can't pierce girl. Oh my god, what a surprise!
कैसा खाने से
सोच्दा
देखा नहीं मम्मी जी भी तो निकल से रहे
Yeah, of course.
कैसा खाने चुस ले खाने फील चुस ले कस्तो फील भयो ले
Oh my god, where the heart pound good is.
मेन सरप्राइज भोलि रिभिल गर्ने हो सक्नु भयो के
खास गरी भोलि गर्ने हो बेबी शावर भनेर तर फेरि आज गरे भने एउटा बेलुका एक्स्ट्रा बस्नु पाउँछ भनेर आज एउटा
सबभन्दा गाह्रो विचार छ होला
I know सरप्राइज राखेर है
एक महिना भयो
एक
महिनाको प्लान
Oh my god, 2 महिना
भनेपछि
surprise.
सबैलाई कहिले भरोसा नहोला त्यो कुरा क्या झुट बोल्दै रहेछ
छालामा त क्या गाह्रो भयो मैले अघि पेवामा यसो फोन हालिदिउँ न मैले ओके लेखेर थिएँ क्या अनि मैले के हो यो मेसेज म चेक गरिरहेको तर मैले चेक गरेँ
भरोसा मान्छे के छैन
अहिले चाहिँ के भनेर ल्याएको छ मलाई यहाँ के अरे घर देखाउनु छिट्टो आएर घर राम्रो एउटा रहेछ हेर्नु जाउँ कि
बस ढकाइ बस
निजे निर्माण चाहिँ के सबै गयो नि त अलि तर्स्यो थियो अलिअलि रुयो थियो बिचरा
बस बस अब छ एक महिनाको
This is good guacamole.
freshly made achar thank you guacamole chicken momo beef momo veggie momo
Oh, let me try.
mindu
अनि एउटा उता बेसी किन गर्नु खोज्यो कोही छ केटाले
That is good. Not like even. I am not safe there.
How are you going to fix it?
No, wait, the 3 ponds in a row. Look, if I just move it here, it's gonna be a 6 ponds in a row, and then the 7, 8 ponds in a row. My side is flat. Maybe my brother's flat.
you got check darling
चेक छस्
Can I just wait? Is this? Wait, I didn't think the strategy of killing your queen. But how would I? Okay, I just move it here. Your queen is trapped. Only if you move there. What?
Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me.
No, so Bishop is dead no matter what.
So it's better to eat.
So delicious.
Wait, no, I need the queen to kill it, then I need a sacrifice. Whatever mine. Queen sacrifice versus queen.
You wanna play that game?
Okay, queen dead.
Your queen is also dead.
I know you can kill anything. I'm gonna make the pathway block. No!
This one.
I'm gonna take this one.
Well, you can't do that. What?
I was here and then I killed the pawn.
Okay.
I can't. Oh, the 5 pawns in a row.
Good morning. It's our first morning. Everyone's up and running. Kids are already downstairs. We had a good night's sleep and our day begins. It's Saturday.
Hey, अनि टेक्सासको मिठो खानु पाएन त?
खाएन आउनु साथ बार्बिक्यू खाएर बिर्स्यो We went to this barbecue place, right? The first night.
That's the breakfast.
Last night?
First night. आउनु साथ.
No, I'm talking about this time.
Good morning. The next day, Sunday. So we have to leave the Airbnb at 10. It's around 8:30 at the moment. So all of us took shower. Now we're gonna get a breakfast and wrap up to leave. See ya.
मलाई आयो
Ah,
1, 2, 3. There's
Star
4
jana.
in the back. 4 and 5.
oh my god, you look
5, 6, 7, 8.
9.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
बिचारा यहाँको मान्छेहरू थ्याङ्क्सगिभिङमा टर्की खाँदैन कि क्या हो रे अस्ति नै सकिएछ थ्याङ्क्सगिभिङ त्यही टर्कीहरू चाहिँ बचेछ So the neighbor here has turkey. Oh, it's cold. Oh my god, it's up in the tree. Summer barbecue can be cute. Okay, so we left the Airbnb. Now we are on our way. Where?
To Anitika's house.
To Anitika's house. So we had a very nice party yesterday. Now we are on our way to Anitika's house, still in New Hampshire. Alrighty. Okay, we are at Aninima's place.
Aniteka.
We are at Aniteka's place and babies are being rushed inside. महल डोर द महल डोर रकिङ चेयर पाएछ अघि रकिङ चेयर कुरा गर्दै थियौँ हामी नमस्ते टस्ले Oh my god, I love this kitchen. मलाई हो यस्तो किचन मनपर्छ ओपन कन्सेप्ट यो चाहिँ के सनरुम This is kind of like sunroom. Yeah, I think we can sleep around here. Let's say oh, nice big kitchen. Sister. One of the bedroom. Nice. Look at that. Oh, that all around the compound. Look at that. Mama, there is someone like that. They sabji tabki sorry. Oh, sajai gidal. Spacious. I love it. And there's this is kunci hash. This is dagara. No. Kya sange mela. Oh, yeah, nice. Nice. We just came out of the house. Boys, they didn't want it to come. Just Kisala and me. We have like no specific reason. We just wanted to go some kind of store. Not really big mall. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so we came at kind of like a plaza. There is so there are a few stores. These are grocery furniture. Oh. Tanganjura Marshall Adosha. Marshall Chiktago sa. Marshall Chikta Shakomare. अगर गई से क्या बनेगा अगर जाने हैं फिर कुरियर बसने हैं देखा जी मार्शल जी section so I think we are headed to the shoes section. Yeah, so anyway, tago ata hango. I'm looking for like kind of like a boot. I think an ankle boot would be fine. So let's see. Let's see. Ano? Akaj earmark to see holiday gaji accessories. They're pretty. Hair bands and enjoy the paper clip and I think they like more today. Oh, so nice. Oh, the gifts already. Earmuff tawa. Oh, they like. Oh, nice. Keychain yung jumot. Yan yung kanchura keychain. Hindi yung jumot. Yeah. Alrighty. Earmuff tawa. Price karish. Gumungapchu. Adi gumungapchu. 50 USD. There's a gift dish. It's pretty big. Marshall's pretty big. Most of the stuff are Christmas themed. Santa Claus to the music chair. Lago coffee. Bed sheet is the one, sir. Seriously. Alam ko siya tangi de. Siya tangi ting. Okay, that is for again. Doing. Tinda shopping करते थे. चला खाशिश ले. चिता चिचे पूंजलो. Number 2 छे. Christmas की theme. Alrighty, so hanzu chepchet gare ani kesala lana privileges very good ngadale kormya nga phagi le chalata dara kesala phande ko gile bas so we're done now. It's dark, so we are in a city of New Hampshire. What location is this? I am not sure. Marshall is pretty big. When you have this guy, Shana so mangburo hota hai la price here difference mindu. Yara tangazu ari pesha di kinibin pesha la convert shira. Difference shira feel shimasra ani ta dinik si dogora ne ha yara. Ni chala tangara ha juda shita nga khasapha juda chachi ni time ba. 가격 임대 차기도 마시니 수수의 가격도 라 커버로다 치 노도 공에 컨버트네 리즈너블 레셔 소운드 칠래 부근 좀 해볼래 already.
What did you do that for? He's gonna move this and check again.
I don't know. I just wanted to make things fair.
Oh.
This is the tower of food.
It was not even a study, it was straightforward.
Kuching, you should focus on your game.
The tower of proof.
Online.
किसी घर से गया फ्राइड अनि साइड लगा रहे तो dinner.
Like, we got you.
Oh my goodness.
Oops. Alright, I'm gonna have to take off. Yeah, hold on 1 second. Never mind, I can just go around.
Alright, why don't we just follow the path that you laid out earlier to get to the area?
And I forgot, I think you went somewhere this way, yo.
Oh my goodness. Yo, guys, hold on.
Okay, so
You guys still up here. Let me just
what is ready? And the rice and the sauce. Let's dig in. Kala ni meron galde. Bye. Ning si. Bye. 네, 안녕히 bye. 오케이, 출발아. 당한저. 주스 중이 말아. 보고님도 가게 주스 중이 차를 마실 까오면은 가지를.
가오면도 주죽구라.
까오면 주스 구 단다 쇼기가 주스 407 Monday. 바블라 안돼 분중에 닝진이구라. देखिए कुछ हुट दिशामा दिया के घर से रिसर्च की शाम या के अम्मा 장모도 कुछ अवन दिशामा खेना डिग्रे 아니 나한테 어떤 쇼핑하고 10월 등일날에 또 10월에 가면 게 찾으라 it's not bad 아주 라유라 로도에 기분 좋소 니마 하셨지 뉴욕도 거기 트레인이 누구야 왼쪽
Order for pita. 2 5 pieces.
오케이 사람라 치킨 나기를 간대쳤어 사사라 교프라 짱만 쓰사라 보자 보죠 good 여기 동거래 박스디 알래 안돼 간지 박스 백디 당아이 들 민치도 빼말은 치도 하시 공알아라 있어 공알 갈라서 피르 상나 야메 타임 봐 jellang ngalars kare sanda taro kare coffee cha chimeser re ki coffee ko itigo ra di bag dikhala gishi din sir already good morning this shobja in dodore ta oni jina shobja sai plan marra jo you want to say something no oni jina shobja sai plan marra sanju le re ina kunjing sagi ina so 한다 근데 프라이스 민두라 프라이스 메일 왔어요. 아니 치킨 나게 차려 근데 파파 모델 티스 레스치 게샤 저기 심레 쳤어. 심부 쳤다. 심부 쳤어라다. 언제 무슨 저자 간데 쳤어? 심부 쳤어. 내가. 언제 아마. 아니 가도 될래. We are back home. 4 of us. Alrighty, so we crossed the Canadian border. We are home. Boys, are you guys excited? We're home. Yeah.
I wanted to stay at New Hampshire. They had a giant yoga ball and a rocking chair.
Yeah, and you love there?
Yeah, there was 2.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, we can always go there.
And that hotel.
Next time.
Not
Not the hotel. That was Airbnb. You didn't like the Airbnb?
I liked it, but there's like not special stuff.
Because you know it was cold. Otherwise there was big
The only
backyard.
special thing was the giant Christmas tree and the master bedroom.
Okay, it was nice and big, right? So overall trip conditions.
Good.
야부쳤어? 기부쳤어?
Yeah.
아니 기저귀들 왜 기부쳐? 기저귀 oh my goodness 창문 전년반
But
망아지라스라.
it's not fun just driving.
Not fun just driving, right? Papa yung typically kaya. Look at Papa's face. Papa has been driving for how many hours?
More than 10.
More than 10?
1 hour
Almost
1 hour Martha.
Almost 18 hours.
almost 12 shots.
Almost 12 hour. We actually stopped quite a bit. We stopped. Papa took naps. Stopped quite a bit, right?
And also Papa bought like energy drinks.
Oh yeah, to get him going
Also he bought
through this ride.
He bought this Rubik's Cube, the normal one, and the triangle one. He bought a bunch of Rubik's Cubes. And then he bought this type of Rubik's Cube.
Oh, that's any this up. Alrighty.
And then he bought the hardest Rubik's Cube, I think, for me. This Rubik's, yeah.
Chiquera,
One side is thin, the other side is thicker, and the other side is thicker. Last but not least, the mini one. It's pretty easy for me. There's all the 1, 2, and 3 sides, and then blue. But we also got a green, yellow. But we also got a bunch of money, and we also got a moon ball.
Ano dila, kising yung ano mani osraswa.
The moon ball can bounce to the moon.
Oh yeah. Yeah, ani sana man chatang aju kasa aju homeless ani de bye chide. Umbrella bye. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.